Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we're diving into the world of mirrorless cameras, pitting the Canon EOS R10 against the Sony Alpha 6700. It's like watching two gladiators battle it out in the arena of pixels. Let's see which one comes out on top. Spoiler alert, they're both pretty awesome, but only one can wear the crown or get a sweet Instagram post. First things first, let's talk money. The Canon EOS R10 comes in at a wallet-friendly $1,099. Meanwhile, the Sony Alpha 6700 is strutting in at a slightly higher price of $1,399. Reviewers praise the R10 for its affordability and quality, making it a great option for those who want value for their money. On the other hand, the Alpha 6700 is seen as a worthy investment for serious photographers and videographers, although it may stretch your budget a bit. So if you're on a budget and want to keep your wallet from crying, the R10 might be your best bet. But hey, if you've got cash burning a hole in your pocket, the Alpha 6700 might just be the ticket to instant Instagram fame. Now let's get to the juicy stuff. Image quality. The R10 sports a 24.2 megapixels APS-C CMOS sensor, while the Alpha 6700 flaunts a slightly beefier 26.0 megapixels APS-C XMOR back-illuminated sensor. Reviewers of the R10 highlight its excellent image quality, praising it for automotive photography and portraits, while the Alpha 6700 is lauded for its high-quality videography and photography, with some users comparing it favorably to professional models. So if you want to look like a pro without actually being one, both are solid choices. Next up, let's talk autofocus. The Canon EOS R10 comes with smart and speedy autofocus that's like that friend who always knows where the party is. Reviewers appreciate its quick focus, especially for action shots. On the flip side, the Sony Alpha 6700 boasts a dedicated AI processor with real-time recognition, making it a favorite among users who praise its advanced autofocus capabilities, which include animal. It's like having a personal assistant who knows exactly what you want in life. Well, at least when it comes to keeping your subjects sharp. For all you aspiring filmmakers out there, let's break down the video capabilities. The R10 can shoot some pretty impressive ultra-high-definition videos, but the Alpha 6700 takes it up a notch with 4K 60p and high frame rate 4K 120p recording. Reviewers of the Alpha 6700 rave about its video quality, making it a preferred choice for those looking to capture cinematic footage. If you want to capture the action with cinematic flair, the Alpha 6700 might be your magic wand. Now let's talk about build and ergonomics. The Canon EOS R10 is compact and lightweight, perfect for those spontaneous adventures. Reviewers note its excellent ergonomics and portability, making it ideal for travel. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha 6700 is a bit bulkier, but feels solid in the hand. Users mention it has a more professional feel, even though it may take some time to get used to its layout. Both have their charm, but it really depends on whether you prefer a featherweight or a sturdy heavyweight. Overall, both the Canon EOS R10 and Sony Alpha 6700 receive high praise from users, though they appeal to slightly different audiences. The R10 is celebrated for its affordability, user-friendly features, and excellent image quality, making it a fantastic option for beginners and casual photographers. Conversely, the Alpha 6700 is recognized for its advanced capabilities, particularly in video recording, but it may not be the best choice for beginners due to its complexity and higher price point. So, there you have it. The Canon EOS R10 and the Sony Alpha 6700, two fantastic mirrorless cameras, each with their own strengths and quirks. If you're after affordability and ease of use, go with the R10. But if you want the best video capabilities and don't mind spending a little more, the Alpha 6700 is your ticket to cinematic glory. Remember, no matter which one you choose, always buy smart. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to let us know in the comments which camera you'd pick and why. Until next time, happy snapping. Product links are in the description.